Guys, welcome to another video from CarAndTech. So this is an unboxing of a smartwatch from Pebble. The model is called Cosmos Ultra and it has got a 1.91 inch. It is the largest display in a smartwatch. And one more feature of the smartwatch is that it is a edge-to-edge display. Edge-to-edge means like the bezels are very small. You can see only very small bezels on the edges of the watch. So this is how the packing. So let me just open the box and see what are the contents inside. Alright guys, so we have first the watch inside. So this is a golden color with a beige strap, as you can see. So this is a strap. Actually this strap will get soiled very easily if you don't give care for it. I would suggest you to buy a black strap or a dark so that the strap doesn't get dirty. So let me just remove the packing on the watch. So guys, this is the watch. I would say it's got a beautiful build quality. You know, the sides are made of metal. You can see the speaker and the crown. The crown is rotatable, as you can see, and we have a microphone also over here. And this is the sensors. Okay, so you can see the Pebble logo, and this is water resistant also. Okay, so let's switch on the watch without further. But I think we have one more item inside the box. We have a charging cable. All right, this is a magnetic charging cable. Let me just remove it. Okay, so this is the magnetic charging cable, as you can see. All right, and we have something else. Oh, okay, we have we have a booklet regarding how to operate the watch, and we have a 1-year warranty leaflet also. Okay, and you have an option to get a free strap also, like if you give them a review. Okay, and we have one more thing inside the box. This is a screen guard. Okay guys, so let's switch on the watch. Okay, now the watch is getting on. It's getting booted. It's very fast booting. And we have it's actually written in German. Alright, and we have the code for scanning. Let me scan the code and go to the software. So guys, I have actually paired the watch to my phone. So this is actually the preset wallpaper which you get when you turn on the phone. You can actually change the wallpapers by turning down the crown. So these are the preset wallpapers. See, you can see there are very slim bezels around the watch. So that is the best feature which I found buying this watch. So okay, so you got a lot of wallpapers. Great. And you can also download the cloud wallpapers from their site, from the app. But actually the preset wallpapers are around more than 10, I think. Cool. Alright, so let me just go to the settings and see. We have dial, contacts, call records, voice assistant, workout, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure. It has blood pressure also, and blood oxygen. So we have a lot of features in the watch, including a business card feature. It has also got a calculator. Cool, a lot of settings. Basically, I really love the build quality of the watch, guys. This is just absolutely amazing build quality. We have a Pebble logo also in the strap, and this is how the build quality is. You can also press and hold the screen and change the wallpaper like this. See? Without using the crown. And if you swipe up, you can go to the messages to check if you have any new messages. You can also swipe down to lock the phone. You can make a call. You have the do not disturb mode, and the brightness also. So let me just check how the brightness is. Okay, this is how you set the brightness. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in 3. Yeah, we have the heart rate and the step counter. If you swipe on the side, we have a game mode also here. So this is the game mode. See, you can you have to this is one game, and let me go back. How do you go back to the game? Alright, so this is how you exit from the game. We have one more game. I don't know, like, so these are the different games. Like, let me play it afterwards, as we don't have any time right now. So guys, the wrist to wake function is very fast. As you can see, you can, you just need to lift it lightly so that the display is actually awakened very fast. Yeah, hello Aryan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, how is the audio quality?
Good.
Alright, see, as you can see, the speaker is really nice. So there's a vibration mode also on the watch. Okay, hello Aryan, can you hear me?
Yes.
See, the audio clarity is very clear on the watch. And how's my audio? Can you hear me, Aryan?
Yes.
So he can also hear me very clearly. So in that department, I'll give 10 out of 10 for this watch, for the audio clarity and how it performs on the telephony department. Let me just disconnect the call. This is an always on display only while you are charging the device. So this is how you charge the device using the supplied magnetic adapter. It is actually pretty strong. It is a very strong magnet, as you can see, and it gets charged once you plug it in the watch. So that's it for this review, guys. I'll be coming up with a detailed review of the Pebble Cosmos Ultra. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching.